two friends of mine were about to enter 280 last week. They were at the stop sign, and while they were there waiting to enter the 280 highway, my airbags deployed, and it didn't injure the driver, but she was pregnant, and they kept her in the hospital overnight. And the passenger, it injured her hand, and the local hospital has been asking for my insurance information, of which I have not submitted to them. What are the ramifications of this scenario?
Okay, thank you for calling.
Just a little follow-up question. Was there a collision, or did the airbag just deploy?
No, she didn't hit anyone. She was just sitting there waiting for the traffic to so she could get on 280.
Okay. I see. Okay, we heard it correctly.
Yeah.
That's kind of that's one we don't see every day,
we don't.
Chad. You know, what I would say is that's a faulty airbag.
Correct.
And those can be caused by a lot of things. Usually what you see with airbag cases, and I know you've seen this too, you see a situation where an airbag doesn't deploy when a car collision occurs. And so the question is whether or not there was a defective component associated with the airbag that caused the injuries. In something like this, why they would be contacting your insurance, well, there's a couple of reasons that I could think of. Number one, the hospital is probably looking for that med pay money. There's going to be money coverage on your policy, either $1,000 up to $5,000. I have seen as much as 10, but that would go for medical expenses, and it doesn't matter how the accident happened. If they were riding in your car, it doesn't matter who caused the accident. That's just $1,000 or $2,000 or $5,000 that would go for medical expenses. And the hospital has a lien, so they're the first ones who have the right to the money in that particular case. So that's probably what they're doing. I don't know that that would be an underinsured case or a UIM case, so I think they're probably just looking for the med pay coverage there.